This video is going to show you how to make frog in holes. You're going to need a loaf of bread, some margarine, a small cookie cutter, and some eggs, and salt and pepper to taste. First, what we do to make a frog in a hole, turn your heat on medium, get your pan starting to get hot, butter one side of your bread, put it down, butter the other side, okay, then we're going to make the hole for our egg. Going to keep that's our dipping bread. Then you're going to take an egg. I always crack it in a bowl. And then put it in the hole just like that. You want it on medium heat. You don't want it too hot because you don't want the bread to burn before the egg's done. Put a little salt on, a little pepper on. Then you wait until the white of the egg starts really getting done before you flip it. Okay? You can also test to make sure your bread's not getting burnt before your egg's done. If it's starting to turn brown way before your egg is, just turn your heat down a little bit. Make sure you have a non-stick pan. And always add a little bit of butter in the pan. Make sure it stays. Or margarine. I use margarine. Make sure the bread stays so it won't stick to the pan. See how the white of the egg is starting to get done? You want to make sure it's done all the way around before you flip it, because you don't want your egg to fall out of its hole. You want to make sure the white is halfway done before you flip it. Okay? When I was growing up, we called these frog in holes. Some people call them chicken in a basket or just egg and toast. But I know them as frog in holes. Make sure it isn't sticking to your pan. Make sure the bread isn't getting burnt. We're at a good temperature. It's getting nice and done. Once your bread is golden brown on one side, then you can flip it. See how nice and golden brown it is? That's how you want it. Once you flip it, it'll take a couple minutes on that side too. Once your frog in hole is brown on both sides, toast is brown, then it is done. Put it on a plate with our little baby piece of toast for dipping, and you have frog in a hole. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for frog in a hole, and enjoy your breakfast. Till next time.